Refreshing Raspberry Mocha Soda Recipe Summer Delight. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're going to whip up something truly refreshing and unique, a Raspberry Mocha Soda. Imagine the tanginess of raspberries combined with the rich flavor of chocolate and coffee, all fizzed up into a delightful soda. Trust me, it's going to be your new favorite summer drink. So, let's dive right into it. Ingredients: fresh raspberries, chocolate syrup, espresso or strongly brewed coffee, sparkling water, ice cubes, whipped cream, optional, mint leaves for garnish, optional. Instructions. First off, grab a handful of fresh raspberries and muddle them in the bottom of a glass. This releases all those delicious juices and flavors. Next, we're going to add a generous drizzle of chocolate syrup. This adds a luxurious sweetness and pairs perfectly with the raspberries. Now, pour in your freshly brewed espresso or strong coffee. This brings in that bold coffee flavor that complements the fruity raspberries and chocolate. Let's not forget about keeping it cool. Drop in a few ice cubes to chill the drink down. And now, for the fizz. Top it all off with some sparkling water. The bubbles will bring everything together and give it that refreshing soda feel. Give it a gentle stir to mix all those flavors. Ah, just look at that beautiful color. For an extra touch of indulgence, you can add a dollop of whipped cream on top. And hey, a sprig of mint never hurts for some added freshness. Alright, moment of truth. Let's taste this Raspberry Mocha Soda. Absolutely fantastic. The raspberry, chocolate, and coffee flavors dance together in perfect harmony, while the fizziness makes it oh so refreshing. And there you have it, folks, a Raspberry Mocha Soda that's guaranteed to make your taste buds sing. Give it a try at your next summer gathering, and watch it become an instant hit. Cheers to good times and delicious drinks. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouthwatering recipes. Until next time, happy sipping. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.